Welcome to Pioneer Medical Foundation podcast, where we speak with community leaders in healthcare and beyond. Today's guest is Sofia Sotomayor, who graduated with health sciences from the University of South Florida in 2024. Sophia is on her journey to medical school, and she is interning with us on her gap year. Welcome to the podcast.
Thank you for having me.
Awesome. So I know last year you worked really hard with our team to bring dental services. What is different this year besides dental services?
So we're really excited for this year specifically. So we actually were able to bring Moffitt to our health fair this year, and they are going to be doing free lung screening with low-dose CTs this year. And they're going to be about to see about 25 people to 30 people within 4 hours. So we're really excited for that because a lot of people don't have access to get those screenings with primary care, so they just don't know if there's something wrong. And then they will also follow up with them if they see anything irregular, so there is that continuity of care.
Great. I love that if something pops up, there is continuity of care.
Exactly.
So is there an inclusion criteria? So who qualifies to get this CT scan?
So they have to be a smoker, I want to say, for at least 15 to 20 years. And they also have to be above 50 years old to kind of fit that criteria. So a big part of our job at the foundation here is to kind of pre-screen who we want to sign up to go get that. If we think there could be something wrong or just preventative care, we screen them here during our medical services, and then we tell them to go out there and get that free low-dose CT.
Got it. So what I'm understanding is we see them here in clinic and then we sign them up to be able to come to the fair and get this service.
Exactly.
Where can they come and what days should they come to see us if they want this service?
So this service specifically will be the one day at the health fair, Saturday, January 10th at Waterworks Park in Tampa. However, they can come see us at our regular clinic hours. We're nonprofit, everything is free, and then if they want to get screened, they just fill out the form and then we sign them up and then they show up on January 10th.
Awesome. That sounds really good. So besides the lung cancer screenings, what other screenings are we going to be providing?
Yeah, great question. So we're also bringing mammogram back this year. So we're partnering with someone else, though, so we're going to be able to see about 25 to 30 women within that 4-hour time frame. And then she's also a nurse practitioner. So she will be doing the screenings herself. All of those results get sent to her, and then she will follow up with all the women that we see. So even if they don't have primary care or something like that, she's going to take over their case and manage anything that they might need further.
Awesome. And I really love that it's October right now. Mm-hmm. It's Breast Cancer Month.
Yes.
So highly encourage women over 40 to come out and get their breast exam. So we kind of screen people and make sure that everyone is taken care of.
Yes.
Now let's go back into dental. Tell us more about dental.
So dental is very exciting for us. We were able to bring them for the first time last year. We were able to do 50 extractions, 13 cleanings, and over more than $32,000 worth of free donated dental services. So that was a really big hit for us. And I think from working here in Pioneer, we see that dental is such a big need in this community and it's really hard to get access to. So we're excited to bring probably the bus from North Carolina this year. Last year we got it from Ohio, which was very exciting. But North Carolina, it's going to be bigger and better. We're going to have either 2 chairs, 3 chairs, so we can be seeing more patients. A lot of dentists have reached out to us hearing about what we did last year, and they're really excited to be a part and just donate their services to people who might not be able to get that.
That's really great. I know a lot of people, dental is medical. It's part of medical services, and being able to get your medical services, get your dental services there and screenings is going to be something that's really important to our community. So for our listeners who are listening and they want to partake in helping us and they want to donate, what do they donate and how do they donate?
Awesome. So a big thing that we've been focusing on the past few months is kind of going into the community and asking what they need specifically, because we think we might know, but we really just have to ask them what they really need. So we've gotten a pretty good list that we'd be more than happy if people can donate. So on that flyer that we've mentioned, there's a QR code. You scan that QR code and there's different links and you just press the one that's like our Amazon wish list. We also have a Dollar Days link where you can just go to our Pioneer Medical Foundation wish list and you can purchase whatever you'd like. So we have like backpacks on there. We have boots, tents, sleeping bags, blankets, clothes, bras, underwear. So yeah, there's a big need for a lot of stuff that some of us don't think of, but we have a pretty solid list this year.
You know what I thought was so amazing with the survey that we did in the community? Something I would have never thought about asking, our viewers to get a steel-toed boot.
Yes.
That was really interesting.
Yes, that was maybe for like working in like conditions.
Construction.
Yes, exactly. So they were still toed boots.
Correct.
Okay, that is very high demand. So
Yes.
please donate. We very much appreciate it.
So just to recap, we said we would have lung screenings with a low-dose CT scan with Moffitt Cancer Center. That will be there screening for lung cancer, mammograms, and ultrasound for any woman that needs an ultrasound 40 and above. Dental services will be there, 2-op, 3-op with dentists there doing extractions, cleanings, and cancer screenings, and also donations on our QR code.
Yes.
Anything else?
I think that's it. We're very excited for this year.
January 10th.
Yes, we'll
We will
see you there.
For more information, scan the QR code or click the link in the caption.